If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can import some types of save data into QuickBooks Online. The type of data to import determines the saved file type the import process accepts. Most imports accept saved Excel worksheets or CSV files, and some also provide other options. Alternatively, you can also import all the available data from a QuickBooks desktop file or Sage 50/Peachtree. To import either bank data, chart of accounts, customers, invoices, journal entries, products and services, or vendors into QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button. Then, click the Import Data link to open an Import Data page. Then select the type of data to import from the Select Record Type drop-down and click the Import button in the What Do You Want to Import section. A new page then opens and shows specific import instructions for the selected import process. For most imports, except the bank data and products and services import, you upload a file, map the fields in the uploaded file to the fields in your QuickBooks Online company file, and then import the file. For these types of imports, first, click the Browse button in the page to open a File Upload dialog box. Then use this dialog box to find and select the file to upload. After selecting it, click the Open button to upload the file. Back in the Import screen, then click the Next button to continue. In the Map Field screen that then appears, you match the data in the QuickBooks Online fields to your fields from the file upload to map where the data goes so your data is correctly identified. When finished, click the Next button to go to the Import screen. This screen lets you double-check the data to ensure it matches. If the data is correct, click the Import button to import it into QuickBooks Online. For the other types of data imports, simply follow the on-screen instructions. Note that the Products and Services import process lets you either copy existing data into columns, which you can then save, or click the Import CSV/Excel link to import using the older field mapping method. If you choose to copy data for products, you can also switch between an old layout and new layout by clicking the desired button at the top of the screen. Alternatively, to import an entire QuickBooks Desktop company file or a Sage 50/Peachtree company file into QuickBooks Online, click the Import button in either the Import from QuickBooks Desktop or Import from Sage 50/Peachtree section of the Import Data page respectively, to then open a page that contains a video and help on importing from the selected desktop accounting program. There are helpful links in the page for related questions. Then follow the instructions for your desktop accounting software conversion. If importing from QuickBooks Desktop Pro, you may need to update your version of QuickBooks Desktop to ensure you can export it to QuickBooks Online. Importantly, Also note that to import QuickBooks desktop data into QuickBooks Online, you must do it within the first 60 days after starting your company file's QuickBooks Online subscription. After importing from either desktop accounting software, then continue to follow the instructions provided to verify your data has been correctly imported into QuickBooks Online. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.